it's the 11th of January 2023. Here's Somerontie and Somerontie again 228, building 4, staircase F. Here in Vallila, Helsinki has 4 Somerontie, Finland. It was built in the beginning of 1997 or added later. This number is speed 1KE1999. The capacity is 4 persons, 25 grams, and it was the latest have been inspected in 2019. With 5 floors here. Original built 1964, but the elevators already at the turn of the year 1996, 1997, and scenic. Also deserves 2 rides here.
Yeah.
6 A, B, and C were built in late 1996 then.
Yeah.
So yeah. The rest is 1997. But we should also confirm the stakes as D and E if they're also 97.
Yeah.
But probably they are, but because we know the serial numbers in A, B, and C.
Yeah.
Was it 94, 95, 96 or?
Yeah.
And this is 97, so 98, 97 could be 97 probably.
Yeah.
Let's turn the lights here. So then only the first 3 ones in the late 1996.
Yeah.
So this all over the door. The Schiller is not going to merge it or anything, just got to maintain it.
Yeah. Is tittarki vain maintained by Schindler?
It sounded like somebody was closing the door, but
Yeah.
it was the elevator. We've got only 6 ones to be filled later.
Yeah.
The staircase is D, E, G, I, K, and L, because we also got the staircase H here.
Yeah.
And 12 in total, so half of them we got at the same time now, and 6 of them are half, the other half later.
Yeah.
But I think we got the most interesting ones, because the other half is just 1997 also.
Yeah.
And A, B, C were the only 3 ones from like 1996,
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah.
But this is to be confirmed. According to what the staircases D and E will be.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's